Amateur. Hey, I'm a professional, okay? What do we got here? Blowtorch? Woohoo! Yes! You can upgrade your tool. Oh, oh, that's so cool. I'm like excited now. Actually, before I read, the police say the break-in might be related to the events last week when computers were stolen. Burglars gain access to gain access. Huh? Decent food, decent prices. Gub Grill. Oh, heck yeah, now I'm hungry. Oh, I could go for some Gub Grill. Oh, there's a limit. This cause a fire. I should probably not waste it. How? Oh, I got cash? That's cool. This is cool. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Nope. That's... Okay, I didn't realize the car, of all things, the car was the one to get caught on fire. Okay, where... That's awesome! And come back down here. Oh well. How do I upgrade tools again? Ah, here we go. Let's see. No upgrades, no upgrades, no upgrades. $100. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna save my money. Messages. Need coffee. Turns out they're out of... I cannot speak. I'm trying to do the old lady voice, but I can't. Turns out they turn off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard of, yeah. Okay, I don't know. I forgot how to do Tracy's grandma voice. Gordon Rule, thanks for helping me out with that building. The police was snooping around for a little, but it seemed to have cooled off now, and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina, and the board says there is no space for a new dock. Could you use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original documentation also disappeared, then ta-da, like it wasn't even there. Like it was never there. Making space? Sure. Oh, this is the infamous level where apparently driving a large boat into one of the cabins can crush your PC. So I hope that doesn't happen to me, but I highly doubt that. Primary targets: office safe, outermost cabin. Secondary target: warehouse safe. Where's the... Oh man, this place is massive. Okay, this is pretty basic security. So gotta get rid of that, and then destroy that. Alright, let's go around. Gub Grill! Heck yeah, you guys. Whoa, that was weird. Oh, that's weird. Oh, now I just feel like a jerk. You guys got any food? I'm hungry. Okay, now I'm just feeling like a jerk for doing this. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna take this car. Alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's...
Oh, that car got destroyed. Where? Okay, I'm just go straight and then go left. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nope. Yep, keep going straight. Meow. This is why I almost never got my driver's license. Cause I'm a terrible driver. I'm gonna take a different vehicle. I'm gonna take this forklift. Vroom vroom. Oh, it's slower. It's so much slower. Come on. No. Oh, I can just open it. Nah. I'm just gonna drive my way in. It's easier. I'm late. It's easier. I say it's easier, but I'm. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay. Cool. Where? Okay, that's cool. Oh, hello. Oh, this is a lot. I don't think I'm so strong. I'm totally so strong. I think you can, based on like I watched the Let's Play, you just dump the, you don't have to break open the safe, you just dump it in the water. It's a lot easier. Wait, what? Everyone needs a hobby. They sure do. Come on. What? Oh, how am I supposed to dump it in the water now? Oh, over there. You know, I just realized this forklift might have come in handy for, you know, moving a giant heavy safe. But, I've already destroyed, probably... come on. Fine. I'll find... maybe I can... please tell me I can still use it. Okay, I can still use it. That's great. Oh, come on. No. How? Okay. Let me... how? I moved it earlier. How is it so... okay, I'm moving it now. Come on, there we go. Jeez. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get a move on. Jeez, why do you have to be so heavy? How am I supposed to get rid of you if you're so dang heavy? Wait, can I just... here, I'm gonna... I just made it a lot... oh no. Oh no. Get out of there. No. No, wait. Come on. Come on. Oh no, I made this harder for myself. That's great. Oh no, what did I have done? There gotta be something. Okay. This, whatever this thing is, it's a bigger, badder forklift. There you go. Problem solved. Jeez, I got so many views here. I'm destroying this poor guy's home or yard or whatever the heck this place is, just to get rid of a giant safe. Come on. Why is there dust? Oh no. The front of the car is completely obliterated. Alright, let's try. Just try to gate it. Can I at least destroy the fence? Okay, that's not gonna help at all. Oh, I just... Alright. You're not getting... No. Oh, come on. How do you get... Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh, the fence is broken. Yes. Perfect. Well, partially. Come on. It's partially broken. Alright. So the safe is approximately... Back up a little. Whoa, easy. Please, come on. No. That'll do. If I can do this. Come on. You're a forklift. You're supposed to forklift stuff. What is even happening? No. Come on, it gotta be... I feel like we can just destroy the... I'm legitimately stuck in this one dang level. And now this car's stuck. I don't care. Out of way! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No! There. Can you move now? Okay, good. There we go. See, it wasn't that hard. I mean, this little forklift is in the way. Now use the big forklift to move that other... Jeez. I should have flipped that. Oh, how hard... Sorry. Now we move. Are you... Please don't get stuck. I'm literally this close. And this is not even the main target. I just... this is... No! What the heck? Little forklift, what are you doing? Can I... Oh. Alright, now we use the big boy to push. I completely missed. Oh, this is so confusing. Come on. Come on. Move. We're so close! No, you're stuck at the... Come on. You... Literally right there. There we go, gee. No, no. Is he go? Okay. Optional save. Gone. Alright, good. Whew, oh my word, it took forever. Alright. Alright, now we're getting to the main stuff. Oh, that's cool. You can zoom. Oh, you can zoom in. That's cool. Nice. Is in here? Yep. Okay. I'm going in, boys. Also, where? I just realized, where is everyone? There's like, oh sweet, thanks. There's like no one here, or. Okay, that was not part of the plan. That's okay. Alright. Up here. Should be around here somewhere. Oh, okay, it's right around. Oh. Is it? Please let it be lighter. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a lot easier. Come on. I can toss it. Sweet. Alright, can't toss it. Alright, come on, let's... Yes, regret. Come on. Come on. Oh, wow, this is actually a lot easier than the bigger one. Ah! Come on. No, come back. No. Okay. Bye bye. Alright, now. So, where is that? I'm getting that boat over there, so we're gonna go turn around. I want it. Oh no, I don't like this. Yep. I can drive this big boy, right? Like, can I? I can't. Oh boy. This is gonna be very bad. Okay, we're gonna go around. I'm just hoping this does not destroy my PC. I'm really nervous because I've seen the Let's Play. I've seen the absolute crashing of this, or the absolute lag of this. You know what I'm saying. And this boat's very slow. It's gonna be a while. Alright, so there's a cabin. I would be tempted to just run over all the cabins, but we'll see if the lag's not that bad, maybe I'll do it, but probably not. Oh no! Oh no, the lag. Okay, it's not that bad, but it's still pretty rough. Okay, abort, come on. Jeez, that's wow. Okay, and the boats. Wow. Okay. Still. Oh no. Demolition complete. All right. Wow, that was. I think I might have just no. That might be a different yacht. Wow. Okay. That's not bad. Okay. Thankfully, it wasn't as bad. So I'm gonna try to run just for fun. I'm just gonna try to run over all the other cabins once I can get moving. Come on, turn around. Da 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 da. Here I come. Very slowly. Oh my god. Word. Come on. There you go. There we go. This is such a terrible idea, and this might destroy my PC. Here we go. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Oh no. Oh no. The frame rate drops. Jeez. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Oh no, it's so slow. Alright, let's try to... Oh, this was such a bad idea. The house is stuck in the... Oh my god, the boat! Look at the boat! Oh my word, what? And in the first house, like, it's totally fine. Well, somewhat fine. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Oh no. Get me out of... Oh no. Oh, it was so unnecessary, but it was worth it. Yes, it was. Oh, okay, let's just get out of here. Where's the escape vehicle? That was such a dumb idea to destroy every single cabin. It's still standing. Let's get out of here, boys. Please. Oh my word. For my computer, my PC crash. Dang. Alright, let's continue. What? What? Oh, okay. I'm gonna probably call it a day. But I want to check out the new tools and such. Also, what am I doing up here on the roof? Oh, what? This is such a cozy, chill place. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we got a shotgun. Ah. Woohoo! Oh, I like this. Wait. Oh no. Oh no. Bang. That's how it's done. The ghost cabin. 4 cabins at the Westport Marina, a popular holiday resort since many years. But according to Harbor Master Jim Daglish, there used to be 5 cabins. I think there used to be 5 cabins because there's literally no more cabins last I saw of a ghost cabin. Spooky.